Hello, welcome to another Scraplift Crafternoon. I am so excited you are here, and best friend, I have a secret I get to spill today. Yay! So, before we dive into the secret, I want to welcome you. If you are brand new to the channel, hey bestie, welcome in. I am Karen. I am the everything here behind the channel on Instagram. I am also on Facebook and YouTube. Facebook and Instagram. We are on YouTube. And I would love to have you follow me there so you can see all of the things that I post, because not everything makes it to this channel. If you are a best friend coming back, hey, grab your drink, get some supplies together. We are going to be scrap lifting this layout. Now, secret time. Lean in real close. Are you ready? Oh, I'm so excited. I'll try not to scream in your ear. We have a brand new friend who's agreed to join us. It's Rhoda. She's coming on board. She is going to be lifting with us each week. And y'all, I love her layouts. She is so inspiring. She is over here on YouTube. I will have all of those deets down below where you can get to her. She will be in our playlist each week. Y'all, it's been so hard to keep that from you. And I do apologize. I mean, we are best friends. So, welcome to her. Can't wait to see what the rest of the group does with her layout. It is really a beautiful one. This one uses an older Simple Stories. Yeah. Life in Bloom, I think, was Simple Stories. Pretty sure. I don't think it was 49 a Market. Nope, it was Simple Stories. Absolutely Simple Stories. So this uses that collection. I do have some of this collection still. I decided to go a different way with this one. I am using some hip kit clubs. The photos that I chose to go with this layout, she has a three photo sequence. And I love those. I love how when you have a photo sequence, you can either show a series of events like she's doing here. This was, I'm guessing this was like an at-home kiddo. You look adorable, so we're going to take some pictures, photo shoot, because I can't see journaling on here. But you can do that kind of thing. So you can show, like, say it's a birthday party and you're showing the kiddo when you put the cake down, and then you show them with the candles in front of them, and then you show them blown out, or the cake in front of them, the candles blown out, and then, them biting into the cake if it's their very first cake. That kind of thing. Or what I really like about this type of layout is you could focus on a relationship across time. And that's what I'm going to do today. I have pulled these 3 photos out of my stash. I actually think I decided I wanted them this way. This is the hubs that we lovingly refer to as Mr. Karen around here. And then the oldest child. So these are across the years. This is 2018. This was her first year in college. We had gone down to her sorority's Dad's Day, like when all the dads come in and they have special events and blah, blah, blah. Mom's Day was in the spring. This one was in the fall. And then, this is a couple of years later when we got River. So this would be fall of 22. So there is some time difference, but they are truly BFFs. I mean, they think alike. They act somewhat alike, although I will say she acts way more like me than she needs to. If I'm being honest, she does not need to. But I love this series of pictures of them and their relationship. And so my thought was that I would pull out some of my hip kit club. I'm actually going to use 2 different kits. I'm going to use New Day, which was a September of 23 kit. And then the Good Life, which I think was December of 23. I think that's right. I think that was December of 23. So, this is where we're headed. Some of the things that I love about this layout that I want to make sure that I pull into mine. I love how she used flowers and butterflies. I want to try to use circles and hearts instead of flowers and butterflies. So I've got a little more of a graphic, little more of a college kid kind of look. I really want to make sure that I create this across and down piece. And then I also want to make sure that my title stays here. I really love how we've made this cross that kind of draws your eye. And so I want to really focus on keeping that aspect in my layout. So as normal, we are going to clear the deck of everything, cut off branding strips. Maybe, I don't think my photos have a lot of room to trim them out. This one does, these don't. I may trim this just a little bit. But yeah, they're pretty close-up photos, so there's not a whole lot of room to trim. So I'm going to get my photos ready. We will start making a layout then. Yeah, that sounded all kinds of convoluted. Welcome to my head, friend. Welcome to my head. So let's clear the deck. Let's get some branding strips off and let's get rolling. here's the layout. I really like how this one scrap lifted. Really, really liked it. So, thank you so much for being here with me today while we scrap lift our new BFF. I'm so excited, y'all. I cannot wait for you to see all of the amazing pages that she does. Blows me away every time. Blows me away. Cannot wait. You guys are going to fall in love too. So make sure you check out everything down below. All of my favorite places to shop are there. Where I like to post is there. What else do I want to tell you? Oh, the hop list is down there so that, or the playlist, so that you can just play it and it, you know, it rolls through all of them. Really kind of loving playlist these days. So, yeah, there it is. My Hip Kit Club mixes from the 2 different kits. That is one of the things that I like about their things. Gotta admit. Love that they blend so well. So, my friends, until we're together next time, go make some memories. Bye-bye.